Look at this cute flying pig. It's so happy with its wings. Isn't it funny? Let's start coloring this cheerful pig. Use a nice soft pink for its body. You can make the wings white, and don't forget to color the hooves brown. Great job! Now your flying pig is ready to soar through the skies with its wings. It looks amazing! This is a strong and fierce werewolf. It looks ready to jump out of the picture. Let's get started with coloring him. For the werewolf's fur, use dark gray or black. Don't forget to color his shorts blue, and you can add some details to his claws and eyes to make him look even scarier. Look at that! Now your werewolf is all colored and ready to show off his powerful muscles. Great work!